talking about this binocular. That's right, this is a little mini telescope basically. That's 80 times magnification, effectively 100mm lens that you can use at concerts, bird watching, traveling. You can use it to look at the moon and get an even closer look at that. And it also has a feature to where you can attach your cell phone to it to take photos of those objects far away or get up and close and personal to wildlife and birds and things like that. So very, very cool. Let's open it up and see what's on the inside. Alright, you're going to have your manual. It comes with a tripod. You have the actual binocular itself. It comes with the cell phone mount, a cleaning cloth, lens cap covers, one for the front, one for the back, a wrist strap, and a storage case. So everything that you're going to need. Looking it over real quick, you can see it's got a nice big lens on here. It's going to let in plenty of light. This is the eye cup in the back. You have your 1/4-20 mount on the bottom, and then on the side here is where you would attach your wrist strap. Now to focus it, you have a focus wheel up here, which is kind of like a fast focus, and then you have a smaller, a more tuned focus on the side here. Now when I was using this, I was at first holding it too not closely enough to my eye, like it was kind of far from my eye, and it's going to make the outer edges look kind of fuzzy. So I actually, if you put it all the way up to your eye, it's going to look nice and clear. It works really well for seeing distance and catching those birds and things. The glass is absolutely pristine. There's no imperfections or fuzziness in the glass whatsoever. So it works very well. Okay, and this is going to be your cell phone mount. And what you do is you actually just slide this over the eye cup just like that. And then you take your cell phone, or this is the way I actually did it, like this. Put your cell phone inside of the little holder. It's just like a car mount or whatever. And then what I did is I just looked through the hole and I lined my lens up of my camera with this. So then once I got my lens nice and lined up, you just lock this down, make sure it's nice and tight, and then you can just attach this right there. Then you can actually see through the binocular with your cell phone. Now with the iPhone, and I think that's specific to the iPhone, there's actually a light sensor right here. So try not to cover that so your ISO will be adjusted properly. But if it does cover it, like on mine, I just went into manual settings and manually controlled the ISO and had no trouble whatsoever. So very cool little device. The phone mount is really secondary. It works extremely well. Some people even use these at like gun ranges for like seeing targets at distance. You can also, like I said, observe nature. You can look at birds. You can spot deer. Just many, many uses for this waterproof little binocular. I hope this video helps.
Jason Leonard here again with Alpha Optics. Today we're going to check out the Midas family of binoculars. Yeah, the one with the golden touch.
These binoculars come in 4 models: 8x42, 10x42, 10x50, and 12x50. The Midas binocular family features ED glass lenses, which gives you an image with little or no chromatic fringe, so the final result brings a clearer and sharper image to your eyes. In conjunction with the ED glass lenses, we apply both ESP dielectric and phase-corrected coatings over the BAK4 prisms inside the binocular. The combination of these prism coatings reflects over 99% of the light to your eyes, creating a brighter image with accurate color reproduction. All Midas binocular lenses have advanced fully multi-coating and XPL coating. This XPL coating gives you extra protection on the exterior lenses from dirt, oil, and scratches, and anything else that Mother Nature can throw at you. The Midas binocular is made with a magnesium alloy chassis that assures you that your binoculars can handle the most rugged of conditions. In addition, the Argon Purge chassis chamber, together with a robust waterproof design, gives you the assurance that you are ready for the most challenging elements. Finally, these binoculars feature twist-up eye cups with intermediate stops that allow you to set the eye cups to the ideal eye relief for your eyes.
Enjoy astronomical and long-range terrestrial observing the easy way with Celestron's Skymaster binoculars. Highly regarded among amateur astronomers and outdoorsmen alike, Skymaster provides excellent views and great value. All Skymaster binoculars offer large apertures, starting at 56mm and progressing to 100mm. With this much light-gathering ability, you'll be able to spot even faint celestial objects like galaxies and nebulae or distant terrestrial subjects in dim lighting conditions. Mount any Skymaster on a tripod for comfortable extended viewing sessions and stable images. Skymaster binoculars feature high-quality BAK4 prisms and multi-coated optics for improved contrast and resolution. All models include lens caps and a carrying case. Take your favorite outdoor hobbies to the next level with detailed, high-magnification views from a pair of Skymaster binoculars.